You're still awake, but not because you want to be. Your eyes are wide open, your mind's racing like crazy, and your body just wants to scream, "Please, let me sleep." Then somehow, you click on this strange video. A girl's whispering softly into a mic, her fingers tap gently on a table, and that sound feels like it's scratching an itch deep inside your brain. 5 minutes later, you're out cold, sleeping like a baby. ASMR are the weird thing that's helping millions fall asleep every night. It's not medicine, it's not music, just simple sounds that somehow calm your brain in ways you never expected. So what is it really, and why does it work so well? Let's dive into it together with No to Podcasts, Part 1. So, what exactly is ASMR?